You're my favorite lava lamp. When I see the earth, then the goes around. The sky will fly and die and try. Soon you see the will fly. Now there's a way. There's no days. It never stops. You just see. When you see it, that it's true. What you will do. When I knew what will happen is true.
What? That's funny. It's so easy. It just goes up, it just bakes that, and then goes back down.
And then it squishes.
Yeah,
I love you.
It does
You're my
push that.
friend.
Oh no, don't go down. Somebody else is coming. No, don't go down. No, don't go down. No, don't go down.
And you're dead.
Did that.
There's a brand new person coming up. He's flying his airplane. Barely. See?
Okay, come in all the way, guys. Okay, love, shut the door. Yeah, yeah, does that look cool?
So we can see the lasers?
Yeah.
And see where you're going. It looks like real lasers. Show me this shiny and this shiny.
Why does your hand feel weird?
So no touching it, no holding it. Do not throw it up in the air and let it fall down and break. Those are the 3 rules. So nobody touching. That's the first rule.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I hope they love your video. And now, if they love your video, they'll get like 5 stars and maybe 100 loves.
It's my turn. What?